Hello friends, today we will study about some main and important questions of SST class 10th. So let's get started. We have first question which repeats in the examination. Write a note on Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini, he was an Italian revolutionary who played a significant role in promoting the idea of unified Italian state. He believed that nations were the natural units of mankind, and so Italy, which was divided into a number of small states and kingdoms, had to forget into a single unified republic. During 1830s, he strived to put together a coherent program for such a unitary Italian republic. He also set up two secret societies, namely Young Italy and Young Europe. These societies helped in the dissemination of his ideas. Second question we have, what is Roll Act? The Roll Act was passed hurriedly through the Imperial Legislative Council. Despite opposition from Indian members, it gave the government autocratic powers to represent the political activities besides allowing it to detain political prisoners without a trial for 2 years. The Indians were outraged by this act as it was clearly undemocratic and oppressive and hurt national sentiments and dignity. Next question we have, why Simon Commission came to India? The Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928 and faced protest slogans of Go Back Simon. It was because this body was to suggest constitutional changes in Indian governance, but it did not have any Indian members. The Congress and Muslim leagues jointly demonstrated against it. Lord Irwin announced a vague dominion status for India to quell the movement, leading a round table conference in October 1929. Next question we have, what are the various challenges faced by political parties? Various challenges faced by political parties are lack of internal democracy. This is caused by concentration of power in the hands of few leaders. As a result, positions at the top are reserved for leaders, relatives, or people close to them. Increased dependence on money and muscle power. This causes the party policies to be molded by groups which supply these to the party. Next question we have, what are basic industries? Give an example. Basic industries are those which supply their raw materials to industries which manufacture other goods. An example is the iron and steel industry, which supplies steel to the automobile industry. Next question we have, what is mineral? A mineral is homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable interior structure. Minerals are formed by a combination of elements, and the mining of some minerals is very profitable. Next question we have, what is meant by trade? What is difference between international and local trade? Business activity between two or more parties is called trade. The trade within the country is called local trade or domestic trade. The trade between two countries is called international trade. The next important question we have, distinguish between open unemployment and disguised unemployment. Open unemployment, when a country's labor force does not get opportunities for adequate employment, this situation is called open unemployment. Disguised unemployment, this is a kind of unemployment in which there are people who are visibly employed but actually they do not have full employment. In such a situation, more people are engaged in work than required. Last important question we have, why do you think that solar energy has a brighter future in India? Being a tropical country, India has abundance of sunlight, hence there are huge possibilities of tapping solar energy. Solar energy is a non-conventional source of energy, but it is gaining popularity in rural and remote areas whose households' dependence on firewood and dung cakes is reduced. As a result, this in turn help in conserving environment and ensuring an adequate supply of manure in agriculture. Now I have some one word important questions. When Second World War was started? In 1939. Who invented first printing press and when? Gutenberg in 1448 invented printing press. Name the first fastest land mammal. The fastest land mammal is cheetah. When was the National Cadet Corps formed? In 1948. Who discovered spinning jenny machines? James Hargreaves in 1764 discovered spinning jenny machine. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो को जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करना और कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी।